Hello everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration, which was the brainchild of left-handed crafter who is Brandy, and she invited me to do this with her every Sunday throughout 2025, and we can color anything we want except that on the last Sunday of each month we will be coloring the exact same page in the exact same book, etc. So I did not use one of the two books again, and I apologize. I missed last week. I don't know what happened. I'm still trying to figure stuff out for myself and having some home issues and personal issues and stuff. Anyway, I digress. So I colored a page out of, oh gosh, this book, Gnome for the Holidays, which is not just Christmas. It's all holidays throughout the year and some seasons and stuff too. So I missed a couple in here that I had wanted to do, but I decided to do this one. So I'll do what Brandy does. I'll show you the back first. Boop. Can you guess? Okay, here it is. This is my lucky leprechaun, feeling lucky. So I used all kinds of things this time. I used, for the backgrounds, the leprechaun, this thing, and the cloud outline, which I kind of wish I hadn't done. But anyway, I used Stampin' Blends. Now, some of these colors, like this one, is Mango Melody, which is retired. And the grass and the leprechaun are in light and dark Call Me Clover, which I thought was appropriate, which is retired. The clouds are outlined in Light Azure Afternoon, which is current. I used a little bit of, well, I used light basic black on the shoes and the pot. A little bit of dark smoky slate just around the rim here. And dark basic black on the soles of the shoes. And I don't think I used that on the pot. And then the sign down here is done in light and dark pecan pie, which I'm putting them away as I say. And the beard is mostly done in dark pumpkin pie because my light pumpkin pie is about shot. And the lips were originally done in Flirty Flamingo, except it bled out on me. Then I had to use the color remover because it went up into his little nose and made like a blob here, but I think I managed to fix it okay. Sorry, I'm putting stuff away as I show them to you. And the sky is done in Light Pool Party, one of my favorite stamps. It's sort of like a blue-green, so I thought that would be appropriate. And his skin is done in Light Petal Pink. And that's it for that, I think. Yeah. And then all the little clovers here are done in Tombow number 346 for the outline and 296 for the center, which looks like a clover green to me. And then the rainbow is also done in Tombow. I don't know what color numbers they were. Red, orange, yellow, a different green, a blue, an indigo, and a purple. And did I miss anything? Oh, I used gold and green glitter pens out of here. I used from Hobby Lobby. I used this green, and this one here is gold. This one's actually orange, but you can see it leaked. So yeah, I don't know what made that happen, but it did. So that is my page for this week. I hope you like it. I don't know if you can see I have a few boo-boos on it. Yeah, but I did the edge here in the green sparkle, the shamrocks, his belt buckle, his shoe buckles, and the gold coins, of course, shiny, and the feeling lucky I also did. I was thinking of doing that in green too, but I thought, no, it might be too much green. So there's my lucky leprechaun. Do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? We celebrate it for fun, and I am making a corned beef flat corned beef brisket, and I have cabbage, and I have two potatoes that I might roast or bake. I'm not sure yet. Usually I make corned beef and cabbage. It's like a soupy thing, but I don't think I'm doing that this year. I want to try roasting, like cutting the cabbage like steak. They're called cabbage steaks, and then putting a little olive oil or avocado oil on them and roasting that, seasoning them and roasting them in the oven. So I might do that, and then also make baked potatoes. And I usually microwave them, and then if I have the oven on, I'll put them in the oven too, just to get the outsides a little crispy. So we'll see. I might do that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please do check out Left-Handed Crafter. I know Polly's Pretty's Coloring and Crafts. Pretty sure I got that right. Hope so. She's been playing along too, so go check out her channel. She's got lots of other videos out too. I have not done many videos lately. Um, so that said, I will be back on the 18th, but on my other channel, Daddy Designs Jewelry and More, for our jewelry making fun collab. And then I'm not sure when the next time, maybe Thursday this week. I'm not sure when I'll be back this week. Other than that, I have trying to get some stuff done around my house and stuff that needs to be done. Um, that I've been putting off, and I haven't even touched the craft room yet, so except to come up and color. All right, guys, that's all. Take care. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week ahead, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.